What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to the Empire. So
Welcome
today
back.
we will be talking about how to get white, bright teeth.
Okay, if you want to sit there and start getting white teeth, you got to get you a toothbrush that you will take on a date.
You gotta make love to that toothbrush. Them teeth gotta get in it.
Yeah. Okay, but what I mean by take on a date is because if you want to start this process, you have to like your toothbrush a lot. If you like Spider-Man or you like Batman, if you're like a little kid and you like those different characters, get your toothbrush just like that for you. Like you'll want to brush your teeth. It be eager. Like you have to want it, if you know what I mean.
So the key thing about your toothbrush is knowing what type of toothbrush to get. You shouldn't be getting the hardest toothbrush that you can find because they can actually wear away your enamel, and your enamel is only there once. So once all your enamel is gone, it don't ever come back. It doesn't regrow. So if you get a super hard toothbrush, then that's not good for you. It's only making your teeth worse. So the best toothbrush to get is either a soft or a medium. That way it's not
medium. Get a medium toothbrush. Don't get a soft toothbrush.
So going to dental assistant school, I learned that you're actually supposed to brush your teeth in circles. That way you're not scrubbing your teeth too hard. Just brush in circles. I know that's not what a lot of people do, but
I don't do it myself. I brush straight.
So it's just so you won't like I said earlier, you won't take away your enamel that you had. And one key thing that you need to do, you need to brush your freaking tongue. Your tongue holds all the bacteria that make your breath stink. It just make everything.
Yeah, you gotta brush your tongue. Your tongue contains everything. You got all the drinks you drunk. You need to brush your teeth in the day. When you first wake up at night and try to get one in the middle of the day or whatever. Because it's think about it. All the stuff that you eat and drink during the day just sitting there in your mouth, and people wonder why your breath might be stink. You never know.
Because honestly, you're really supposed to brush your teeth every time you eat, just so you can get all that bacteria and all that nasty gunk out your mouth.
Yeah.
Flossing is very important also because
I struggle with flossing myself. So
yes, I also struggle with flossing. So don't be feeling bad about it. Everybody does. But flossing, if you eat candy and the candy gets stuck between your teeth, that sugar just gonna wear away your teeth. That's why you have cavities. Cavities is holes in your teeth from the sugar and food decaying in your mouth. So
I'm not the biggest candy eater, so when I go to the dentist, I might not have no cavity, so I might end up having one. I don't really know how I might get that one, but whatever.
So another step that is very important is actually the toothpaste. And the toothpaste that we both use is the Crest 30 White in the Radiant Mint.
It's amazing. It tastes good, and it don't have no aftertaste. It's just smooth. It's good.
So I actually tried to get the toothpaste that they give you at the dentist office, which is the fluoride toothpaste, and it's not really meant to whiten your teeth. So when I was using that toothpaste for 6 months, I noticed a difference in my teeth color from when I was using this toothpaste. So I know this toothpaste works for me, and it should start working for anybody who uses it. If you go from one shade by not using it for a course of 6 months and then to your teeth whitening, that shows a lot in how good it is.
Yes, if you drink coffee or anything like that, this should be the best for you.
All of coffee, soda, Coke, all that stuff, it makes your teeth yellow.
It just sits there.
From the color of it, it just really makes your teeth yellow. So if you go in and use this Crest 3D White, then you'll have a whole shade change. And you can't really look at people who are celebrities, because most of them, they got all the money in the world to go and get veneers and all of that extra stuff. But if you really want white teeth, all they take is just a good toothbrush, brushing, and a good toothpaste that'll whiten it. Another thing that I wouldn't really recommend to people that are trying to whiten teeth is using the little white strips because
Oh yeah, don't use
it make your teeth like sensitive if you use them too much. And also bleaching your teeth, it make your teeth sensitive. So that's not really
and
a
I
good
also,
thing.
from research, I learned that when you sit there and bleach your teeth, it like kind of like make them smaller, like shrink them in a way. It's just kind of like, it just messed it up in a way from my research on it.
It actually like helps with cavities. It removes up like surface stains, just any little thing that you might have. Another thing is that's important is mouthwash, and we
Yes,
have
you gotta have your mouthwash. You gotta have your mouthwash. After you brush your teeth, do not drink it, but just go and throw it in there. Be in there.
It's gonna help with bad breath. It's gonna get all that bacteria that's just sitting in your mouth that you may not have gotten.
Yeah,
Brush.
burn all that out of it, man. You gotta try that. You gotta try it.
So yeah, this one is the Crest 3D White also. It says it safely whitens teeth, it protects against stains with white lock, and it kills bad breath germs. So like the stuff that make your breath stink, like this mouthwash is gonna kill them germs. Like another thing that you need to pay attention to is if your mouthwash has alcohol in it, because like alcohol like dries out your mouth like really bad. Don't get a mouthwash that has alcohol in it. All it's doing is just drying the mouth out.
Okay, our last part is we're gonna show you how we brush our teeth. I'm not gonna actually do it, but I'm just gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna wash off my toothbrush. I'm gonna put some toothpaste on there. Then I'm gonna go in there. You need to do it for more than 2 minutes. Just more than 2 minutes. Then you're gonna spit that out. Then you got your mouthwash. You're gonna sit there, put it in your mouth, rinse it for more than a minute. Just go at it. Just go all around. Go to your tongue, go to your throat. And when you figure it in, do your throat, then spit it out for you. Just make sure you just good to go.
Don't swallow that mouthwash.
Do not swallow. Do not swallow. Yeah. Then after you get done with that, go and get you a good floss in, whatever, clear your teeth, whatever. You good to go. Do that. Then do that at night or whatever. Just find you a good routine and that like fits your schedule or whatever. I don't really know what your schedule may be, but just find you a good routine that fits like the morning and night, or you be like morning, evening, night. Just a good
Whatever works best for you.
Yeah, whatever works best.
So if you enjoyed this video, or this video even helped you out, make sure you leave a comment. And leave some of your favorite products down. We might can try them out and even do like a review on it and see if you like the product.
Try our products.
But make sure you go and pick up that Crest 3D White. We got the whole line, the mouthwash, the toothbrush, everything. So go ahead and check that out. Make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and join this empire, because guess what? We going up, white teeth and all.